Ukraine is not on our continent, not our war. You said something in our own hemisphere.
By the Union of Youth Federation, the event arms agreement signed in October on the sideline of the ASEAN Summit. This marks a march for peace following a similar event
The
held
way
in
you and the administration see America's national interests, because you said
When this fighting, for example, with Thailand and Cambodia did stop, both sides have made commitments in writing that they signed. Those commitments today are not being kept as a result of both sides claim grievances against one another. And so the work now is to bring them back to the table. The ASEAN ministers will be meeting on Monday. I had a call yesterday with my Thai counterpart and intend to do the same. But the good news about both of those is we have signed agreements. At least we have something we can push them towards compliance on. But as I said, in many of these cases with peace, you sign a peace deal, there's compliance, something happens, they fall out of compliance, you got to bring them back, you got to try to push. But at least instead of negotiating something new, you're simply trying to now push people back to compliance with what they already agreed on. So I think these were achievements. In the case of Cambodia and Thailand, it actually did stop fighting. It has now restarted, and we are working hard to push everybody back to compliance. And we are cautiously optimistic that we can get there by Monday or Tuesday of next week. We're hopeful. But there's more work to be done to that point.
by the Union of Youth Federation, the event march for peace following a similar event held in solidarity with Cambodian soul highlight Cambodia's commitment.
រដ្ឋរបស់យើងនៅតាមព្រំដែនពិតជាមានការភ័យខ្លាចតក់ស្លុតហើយទាំងកូនទាំងចៅទាំងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាគឺអត់បានរស់ស៊ីអីទេនាំគ្នារត់គេចពីកន្លែងដែលយើងធ្លាប់រស់នៅឬសូមឲ្យទូទាំងពិភពលោកមើលផងដើម្បីរកយុត្តិធម៌សម្រាប់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជា Cambodia need peace ខ្មែរយើងគឺត្រូវការតែសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនដូចរៀងរាល់កន្លងមកគឺអត់ត្រូវការសង្គ្រាមទេអញ្ចឹងសូមឲ្យអ្នកដែលឈានពានទឹកដីខ្មែរសូមបញ្ឈប់សង្គ្រាមចាប់ពីពេលនេះម៉ោងនេះវេលានេះតទៅ
ចូលរួមដើម្បីជួយរែងបានគ្រប់គ្រងកុំឲ្យមានកើតសង្គ្រាមតទៅទៀតយើងមិនចង់បានសង្គ្រាមចង់បានរែកសុខដល់ប្រជាជនព្រោះមានការគ្រោះថ្នាក់អីចឹងដល់សង្គ្រាមកើតមកវាកើតដល់ប្រជាជនមានបញ្ហាស្លាប់អីពុំអញ្ចឹងមានការរែងគៀសជូនវិរៈកងទ័ពនិងជនភៀសសឹក
This agreement signed in Kuala Lumpur is the fighting. It's including plans to remove how regional mediators are trying to help. Most respects